Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use split screen mode on your Android phone. Now, this particular method works on all the Android phones. You just need to go to the recent apps page and then you need to click on the app icon or the menu button for the app that you want to open in split screen mode. Just click it once and you get option for split screen. And now you can select the secondary application from the recent apps, or you can go to the home screen, open the app drawer and select the application from here. Now we are able to use two applications at the same time, and this is the split screen mode from Google. Now Samsung has its own implementation where they have added a few additional features which I'll be making a different video for. But for most Android phones, this is the basic stuff. Here we have a bar that separates the top app from the bottom app. Now if you go to the home screen, you completely minimize the secondary application. Now you can select another application which will act like a secondary application. Now you can resize these applications by just swiping like this, swiping like that. You're minimizing and maximizing the screen area of a particular application. And if you want to close the bottom application, you can just drag it down completely and it's closed. In the same way, if you want to close the top application, you can swipe it completely up and the top application will be minimized, and you'll be left with the secondary application. Here's a preview of that, and that's how it works. Here's another example with a Vivo phone. Go to the recent apps page. Now over here, click on this small button over here. Now you have the option for split screen. Now you can select the secondary application from here. Once again, you can resize them. And on Vivo, you get some extra options where you can swap the top and bottom application, or else you can also choose another application from the list using the third option. Overall, that's split screen for you.